Hey everyone! So as we all know, foldable smartphones are expanding and now Samsung has even bigger plans. According to rumors, a foldable tablet with a working name of the Galaxy Tab Fold may be coming shortly. Yes, given the evolution of the foldable phone and other companies following the folding mindset, there is a good chance that a folding tablet is on the way. We all know that most capable foldable devices to date are without a doubt the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4. By default, Samsung is a dominant player in the foldable market because of its unique expertise and production novel technology, also its large market share in the industry and its well-organized supply chain. While many of you anticipate that the Galaxy Tab Fold will just be a bigger version of the Galaxy Fold and keep to the same design principles, it appears that this may be not the case. Given that Samsung has previously presented prototypes of the numerous foldable products this year, including a foldable tablet and a 3-fold phone, there is a good chance that the company will have a new option for the foldable tab. But that is not the case. When it comes to its bigger foldable, Samsung could backtrack with its foldable screen technology, says Alec. The Fold 4 and the Flip 4 use the ultra-thin glass technology at the moment, although flexible the material ultimately acts somewhat like glass. Therefore, durability issues are certain to surface with the increases in the screen size in the future foldable tablet. The solution is easy, albeit less than elegant. To remedy this issue, Samsung will return to transparent polyimide materials. The first time PI films were utilized was in the first Galaxy Fold, which was introduced in 2019. Some may recall the controversy that followed the first release of the first Fold, with the several reviewers accidentally breaking their units. Using a difficult technology might mean difficulty for the initial generation of Samsung foldable tablets. According to Alex, Samsung studied combining UTG and PI films but finally chose to use only the material. Unfortunately, this means that the Galaxy Tab Fold has a significant chance of becoming a defective experiment product at launch. So what do you think about this Galaxy Tab Fold? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.